What's up guys, this is Marcus Schott from the Rep Institute. I'm here in Acworth, Georgia at Miller Decals. We're having a farewell party to the old shop. They're opening this new shop here 5 miles away from here. And on December 31st, New Year's Eve, they will be having the grand opening. So we're celebrating all this history we have here, right? So many good memories, so many good things we've done here. Starla and Jim, I want to congratulate for everything you have done, and I want to wish you good luck in this new shop. We have a lot of friends here, we have some food, some drinks, some activities, and I want you guys to check out this goodbye party.
Been working for Jimmy for 3.5 years now, and to be honest, I pretty much grew up here. So I was 10 years old running around here, so my whole life is here. Best memory I have is when I ended up burning a box of vinyl for Jimmy when I was 11 years old, and I burned a box.
Working here at Miller Decals brought so much out to the point where I could learn so much. I could gather up so much information, connect with other people that I didn't even know was possible. And I'd say that's probably one of the best things about this working here at Miller Decals.
My favorite memory is all of our training classes, getting to meet everybody that comes, trainers and all of the people that attend. So, Miller Decals.
My best memory here for Miller Decals is pretty much the first class that I took. I felt like I was welcomed with open arms from the Millers. The whole family here has really just treated me like really well, and so they really surrounded me with open arms, and I've learned everything I know.
I would like to say my favorite memory was knocking off my bucket list going to SEMA. It was an opportunity that I've been looking forward to for the last couple of years. Haven't been able to fulfill it. Knowing Jim, made connections, and something off my bucket list.
So far, my best memory's probably been like just the people here. I mean, I've joined in the shop and the vibe, just the energy, really just every day here is a great memory. And I haven't had a bad day here since. I've just been happy. I don't feel like work. I'm getting paid to have fun.
I know Jim since 2017. I came here for the first time to help my brother Dimas to wrap a few cars. I was supposed to be here for 40 days and I stayed for 2 years. They kind of adopt me. So for me, the Millers are my American family, and I'm very grateful for everything they have done for me and my family. And I have so many memories about this place. I can't wait to see the new shop working like this one.
I know Jim Miller since 2016, and one of my best memories with him was the last day of Super Bowl 2019. It was amazing, it was an experience that I will remember till my last day in my life.
Known Jim for the better part of probably 20 years. Haven't worked a whole lot together side by side with him other at trade shows and expos. Some of my fondest memories are Jim of what he has actually done for the industry as far as the give back, the educational side of it. And that's what we discuss all the time. I guess it was a proud and honorable moment for me after all the years of knowing him to actually get to the shop and get to sign the famous wall that will forever be enshrined in this building. Thank you, Jim.
I've only known Jim today, but just getting to be able to experience this with him and his crew and his shop, what they've already accomplished, like hands down, this is probably the greatest place I've ever been to for a wrap shop. So I can't wait to see what they have next. Like, it was great to get to sign the wall. I know it's going away, but it was an honor to me just to be able to do it. So it was great to be here. Thanks for having me. And your mom, she's the greatest, Jim.
My name is Lona Miller. I've known Jimmy for 59 years. I'm his mother. My best memory here is getting to see what my son does and all the friends he has. I'm just so proud.
My name is Starla Miller, and I worked with Jim all my life, it feels like. I met him when I was 13, so that's a long time. And he had this vision way back then. He was wrapping things, not necessarily cars, but he was putting stickers on trailers and little Debbie trucks, and it was amazing. He was a leader then, and he's still a leader now, and I respect him and I love him, and we've built a good thing here, and I really appreciate being able to go to the next level and build a new wrap shop that we're building and create opportunities for everyone to learn and grow and experience the wrap experience.
My name is Audrey Miller. I am Jim's daughter, and my favorite memory at the shop was whenever I was really young, me and my sister and my friends really liked to have different types of competitions, and we decided to do a best outfit competition with wraps, like with vinyl. So then I decided I was going to make mine like Hawaiian themed, so I cut red vinyl and made a swimsuit and a skirt, and everybody else was making t-shirts and dresses. I went into the bathroom and put it on like it was an outfit. And I came out and I was wearing a skirt and a like swimsuit top, and I think I won the contest.
Hi, I'm Kylie and I'm Jim's daughter, and I think my favorite memory here was probably like around when my dad was first building the shop, and he used to make like big huge bonfires out on the side, and he also built me and my little sister like a tree house to play in and stuff. It was really fun and cute. And also him like teaching us how to wrap when we were really little, like just messing around little stuff. It was really fun.
My name is Brittany Holtzman. I am Jim Miller's first daughter. So I have two best memories here. The first one is when we first bought the shop land. It was nothing but dirt and grass everywhere, and I had a small dirt bike, a Yamaha 125 that Jimmy had bought me, and I would ride like just the same track around, and they would like have like a big bonfire going, and like I just remember it was super fun for me like growing up, because we would go to the shop, my parents would be doing work, and I would just be riding my dirt bike and causing trouble. So and then my other favorite memory would be when I was a senior in high school. I chose to do wrapping a car for my senior project, and it was actually my car that I wrecked. I thought, well, I could do this. I've watched Jimmy do it my whole life. Like, how hard could it be? Well, it was actually really hard. And so what we would do is we had a camera, and he would film me with the squeegee trying to put down the vinyl, and then we would stop the camera, and then he would pull everything up that I just did and redo it. And then we would move into the middle of the hood and do the same thing all over again. And so I got an A on the project, but I didn't actually wrap my car.
Thank you everyone for coming out for our farewell party to our old shop, and we look forward to seeing you in 2024 at one of our wrap training sessions.
We really just want to show our appreciation to everybody that showed up and got to sign the wall, and we're looking forward to the next year and our new shop and the new direction of everything, and we hope to see everybody in 2024.
We love our wrap family. Come see us.